Welcome to another conversation off the clock. Hi, I'm Carmina Constantino Torres, and this is Casey After Hours.
Ito na ako eh. Siguro nga kasi like I said, what you see is what you get. I have no pretensions. May mga times na you have to speak up. May mga times na, it's just a waste of time. Kaya ko. But syempre pagdating sa mga anak, kaya nyo ba? When you care about your children, hindi pangingialam yun. It's caring and loving for your children. Meron akong gustong interviewin na basher because I want to understand them. That's why na-challenge ako sa role.
A lot of us saw her grow up in front of the camera. Bawat yugto ng buhay niya, sinubaybayan ng madla. She became a constant presence in the lives of generations of viewers, evolving from child star to leading lady, and eventually into one of the industry's most respected actresses. We saw the successes and the setbacks, the love, the heartbreak, the difficult choices, the courage to begin again, and ultimately, the rediscovery of love, family, and a life redefined. This time, on her own terms. Joining us today, Carmina Villaruel. Carmina Villaruel in the podcast. Hi, my name's Carmina.
I know. Hi, Miss Carmina. Oh my gosh, with a K.
I know,
and with a C. So Casey.
Yes, exactly.
Yes,
Welcome to Casey After Hours.
Thank you for having me. Na-request talaga kita. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, so
Yeah.
honored. But you know,
I'm honored.
no, I have to say welcome home. It's been a while. How long has it been since you left ABS?
Oh my gosh. I lost count. I don't know. Maybe 10 years na ba? More than 10 years. Okay, pag math, pass na ako dyan. Basta 2015.
Basta welcome home. It's
Thank
nice
you,
to
thank
see your
you.
familiar face.
I know.
Anong mga nagbago? What remained the same sa pagbabalik mo sa ABS?
Baka nag-mature na. baka mas naging patient. And actually, parang wala naman masyadong nagbago. I'm still the same.
It's just so nice to have you back. Dati kasi, and I have to say this, talagang kayo yung pinapanood. Ako, pinapanood ko talaga. Nung nauso yung mga bracelets, na ngayon parang, that's like a fraction of what you used to wear, di ba?
Oo.
Lahat kami nagganunan din. Parang kung anong ginagawa mo, sinusuot mo, ginagaya ng mga tao.
Kasi nauso nga yung maraming bracelets. Akala ko uso, yung pala kami lang pala yun.
Kayo yun.
Okay.
I mean, more so, because you were like wearing it. So you were
Yeah.
like, okay, we're gonna do that too. Parang lahat po kami nagbebenta ng mga bracelets pagpunta sa school.
Oo nga.
And you're still, you're still a person that people look up to.
Oh, wow.
You're still so relevant. What's the secret to that?
Actually, I don't know. I really don't know. I'm just being myself. Parang this is me. What you see is what you get. I have no pretension. So, that's a tough question. I don't know. Because, kumbaga, it's not an effort na parang wala siyang conscious effort na I have to be relevant all the time. Yung parang I know that I'm an artista na especially with the social media and all that na parang kailangan maging relevant ka, kailangan mag-post. Wala akong ganong conscious effort.
Which is very different from what's happening now. And the push to be relevant always. But I personally never got that from you. Hindi ka nagpaka-artista as some would have it?
Siguro kasi parang I know this is my job, but when it's, off-cam, so, eto na ako eh. Siguro nga kasi like I said, what you see is what you get. I have no pretensions. So, wala akong artista ka, so dapat magpaka-artista ako. Wala akong ganong vibe. I don't like that feeling.
But why is that so? Because you started at a fairly young age.
Yeah.
Enough para, lamunin ng sistema, ma-influence
I'm very
ng sistema.
thankful to my mom and to my family because they kept me grounded. Especially my mom kasi syempre when I was just starting, bata pa ako noon. So palagi ko kasama si mommy and my other sister and then my PA. So sila yung nag-aano sa akin. I mean, they praise me kapag kapuri-puri ako. Pero sila yung parang, okay, off-cam or pag uwi mo ng bahay, ikaw yung Carmina na bunso namin, ikaw yung Carmina na anak kita, estudyante ka, pag wala ka sa trabaho. So sila yun eh. Kaya wala siguro yung, ang galing-galing mo, anak! Oy, ang ganda-ganda mo, anak! Ganyan-ganyan. Walang ganon.
Or parang, sige lang ng sige kasi kailangan mo pakainin yung buong pamilya.
Ay, hindi. Wala. akong may gusto. As in, I had to beg, I had to ask permission from my parents na, pwede ba? Kasi ako yung first na artista eh.
Exactly.
Sa clan namin. So, ako nga hindi ko alam na meron palang artista. Na
So
meron
what
palang
was that?
ganon.
What was the exposure? Because
My brother kasi that time parang was doing commercials. So since I was the youngest, gusto ko lang naman ng camera. Pero mahiyain ako Hindi
Yeah.
ako yung pabibong bata na, sumayaw ka dyan, anak, sasayaw. Hindi, mahiyain ako. Pero, pag nakakita ako ng camera, gusto kong ngumiti sa camera. Yung parang,
Seryoso?
Oo, gusto ko lang kunan mo ko. So anyway, merong talent scout. Uso pa yun dati Pumunta dun sa bahay para kunan yung brother ko. Tapos sabi ko, ma, gusto ko din magpa-picture, please. Tapos umiiyak na ako.
you were how old then?
Siguro I was 8 or 9 years old.
Okay.
So sabi nung mami ko dun sa talent scout, please naman, pwede pa pagbigyan nyo na yung anak ko, kunan nyo na kahit isang picture lang para matahimik na.
Okay.
Sige po. So anyway, they took my picture and then apparently pinadala nila sa mga agencies. So doon na nakuha ako for this particular commercial na, what was my first commercial? Basta yun. So nung tinawag na ako for the commercial, so it wasn't new because my brother nga was doing commercials Pero mas ako na yung palagi siguro kasi bata, yung ganyan. So, yun lang, commercials lang. Pero hindi ko alam na meron palang profession na artista. Pero when I was younger pa, mahilig na ako manood ng yung mga black and white na mga movie sa Channel 9.
Oo.
Mahilig na ako noon. Mahilig na akong manood. Yung parang natutuwa ako, nakakita ako ng mga artista dati. Pero like I said, hindi ko alam na meron palang artista.
Which is very different from, during that time, magka-generasyon naman tayo, hindi uso yung mga parents na susupport na lang kaagad-agad. Remember?
Yes.
Their generation was, we want you to be something. You
Old
want,
school yun. Yes,
and
right,
then
right.
you gotta do this and whatever. Exception yung mga ganyan.
Yeah, that's why I'm very thankful. Kasi siguro I made the promise na pagpapatuloy ko pa rin yung pag-aaral ko. Just let me do this. At saka siguro nga it's something new for us kasi after commercials, after my Jollibee commercial, doon na tumawag sila Mother Lily, si Tito Douglas Cano for Palibasa Lalaki. So parang ang dami na nangyari na parang, what's happening? Yung parang pati kami yung parang na-overwhelm. At the same time, parang kaya ba? Okay ba to? They're very supportive and I'm very thankful kasi kung hindi, wala. Parang, sorry. Kasi hindi ko naman kailangan gawin I just wanted to be in front of the camera. Yun lang naman
At hanggang ngayon, may ganun ka pa din. I mean, you've never lost that magic in your heart.
Yeah. Parang feeling ko I'm really mahiyain. I think lahat yata na nasa industry, parang sinasabi nila na mahiyain. Pero once you're in front of the camera, parang nag-automatic on na ito na, naging madaldal naman talaga ako. Pero yung parang, I don't know, I'm just happy when I'm in front of the camera. Parang, this is my life. Yung
But
parang
that's
ganun.
just you. That's your life. The industry is another beast altogether. Ikaw hanggang dyan, kontrolado mo. But the industry has also, yes, brought you a lot of happiness, but brought you a
yes.
lot of, heartaches as well.
Yeah.
How do you even, hurdle that? Na nakafocus ka pa rin dun sa kung ano ang maganda at hindi yung pangit na naidulot ng industriya.
Siguro kasi, yung thinking ko na life is not fair. So, hindi pwedeng lahat pabor sa akin. Hindi pwedeng lahat ng gusto ko or lahat ng pangarap ko matutupad. Hindi So, meron akong ganong mindset na may mga roles akong hindi matatanggap. Nasa akin na, nawawala pa. Because, like I said, we don't live in a perfect world. Kumbaga, hindi fair ang buhay So, kapag tinanggap mo yata yung ganong reality, kung ano man ang dadating sa'yo, you just have to accept it. And yung failures kasi sa akin, hindi siya hurdle. Hindi siya yung parang, okay, nag-fail ka, that's it. Wala na, tapos na, hindi na pwede. Hindi Parang meron akong motivation, parang meron akong desire na, hindi, I have to overcome this. Kasi Leo siguro ko, so parang yung strength ko na hindi, kailangan kong patunayan yung sarili ko. Lalo na kapag alam kong hindi naman totoo, tapos ganito yung ginagawa niyo sa akin, ay teka muna, wait a minute. So,
Okay.
it's either papatunayan ko sarili ko or I'll just keep quiet. Kasi by being quiet, it doesn't mean It's true. Sometimes kasi you really have to choose your battles eh. So, may mga times na you have to speak up, may mga times na, it's just a waste of time.
Do you still think that it's a waste of time every time people, would bring up your past and your past relationship? Na parang, hanggat ngayon pa ba? Pag-uusapan pa rin ba yan?
Minsan na pag-iisip ako, pero ngayon natatawa na lang ngayon, parang guys, di pa talaga kayo nakakapag-move on? Yung parang, talaga ba? I mean, nawala na nga yung taong yon and yet hindi pa rin kayo nakakapag-move on. So, hindi ko na alam kung iniisip ko na lang, ang dami nilang oras talaga. I mean, I'm so naiinggit to them because they have all the time in the world to, compare, to may mga what if sila in life at hindi pa sila makapag-move on. Yung parang, guys, you're so, wow, yun talagang you have all the...
But how were you? Siguro makaka-move on sila kung maraman na nila how you were able to move on. I mean, ang laking dagok nun, ha?
Wala ka namang choice eh. Wala ka choice.
Anong gagawin mo, diba?
Wala ka namang choice but to move on. Like I said, we don't live in a perfect world. So, you're given this situation, anong gagawin mo? So, it's either, what do you call this? Gawan mo ng solusyon, mag-move on ka, or namnamin mo yung problema at ganyan ka na lang for life. Yun lang naman ang choices mo eh. So, gusto ko bang namnamin yung problema? Ayaw natin yun. So, ako talaga, I wanted to move on. So, gagawin mong lahat. Ang una dyan is to accept. Okay, i-accept mo na this is what happened to me. Wala nang sumbat-sumbat or wala ka nang kasalanan mo to. Ay, hindi, kasalanan ko. Wala nang ganun. Kasi pareho nyo naman ginusto yan eh. Pareho eh. It's just that yun ang ending. Wala naman, it's a sad ending. Wala naman din may gusto nun. So you just have to accept. I mean, gosh, guys, nakapag-move on na kami. Move on na rin kayo. Wala namang iba.
Ito yung iba.
Okay.
So you know what the industry has brought you. As I said, kasiyahan mo yan or kalungkutan. But the decision to allow the twins to enter the industry as well, knowing that they will be subjected to the same harshness that you were subjected to.
Or even more because of the social media.
Correct.
Yeah.
So,
well, at first talaga ayoko. Alam naman nila yan eh. Alam nila yan ever since ayoko talaga. Yung kung pwede. Because before kasi when they were younger, pag tatanong mo, do you want to be an artista when you grow up? No, we just want to do commercials.
so panatag ka na.
Oo,
Okay ka na.
yung parang okay. Yung parang, hindi ko sinasabing hindi maganda ang showbiz industry.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that.
It's just that you know it like the back of
Yes,
your
yung parang kung
hand.
ako, if it's just me, I can handle it. You know, kaya ko. But, syempre pagdating sa mga anak, kaya nyo ba? Kasi ako na lang, wag na yung anak ko, wag na yung mga anak ko, wag na yung pamilya ko. Ako na lang. So, medyo panatag pa yung loob ko. Kasi, no, commercials lang, we want to do something else, ganyan. Okay. And then siguro sa kakagawa na ng commercial, siguro na-expose sila. Kasi growing up, nakita nila yung trabaho namin ni Zoren eh. They would visit the set. So parang it's very normal for them seeing cameras, the mga ilaw, yung mga costumes, makeup. So parang yun ang naging norm sa kanila. So and then nung high school na nga, parang one time, parang sinabi lang, parang Mom, I think I want to try.
Bumagsak yung puso mo.
Sobra. Ako talagang no. Please, wag. Ayoko talaga. Guys, parang why? Ano nangyari? And then sabi naman ni Zoren, pangarap nila yan eh. So pagbigyan natin.
Because you had the same dream.
Exactly. So parang diba ikaw naalala mo, high school ka din nun eh. Diba sinabi mo din na ipagpapatuloy mo yung pag-aaral mo, pagbigyan ka lang. And then nagkaroon kami ng agreement na okay, may trial period lang for I think a year or 2. O sige, so papasubok lang para at least walang regrets, diba? Wala yung si Mom kasi pinigilan kami.
Correct.
At least ayoko maging gano'n, ayoko maging kontrabida, diba? I supported my children, diba? Yung
Hindi ka naging hadlang.
Oo, yung parang kahit na masakit sa puso ko, pero nakikita ko na gusto talaga nila. So mabuti na lang, I'm also thankful na nandyan si Zoren para nabuksan-buksan yung pag-iisip ko na parang, nga no, parang dapat hindi ako maging selfish.
Yeah.
Kailangan isipin ko din sila. So, okay, kahit na hindi ko masyadong gusto, pero kasi may agreement, 1 to 2 years lang, and then we'll see kung gustuhin ba nila o hindi. Okay. Wala na, nagustuhan na. So, I really can't blame them kasi masaya naman talaga sa industriya namin. Masaya natin. Masaya naman talaga. I mean, magulo na, it's a different kind of feeling when you're in the industry. Parang hindi mo siya mako-compare being a banker,
It's different.
It's really
Yeah,
different.
it's
I mean, iba yung joys nila, iba rin yung success nila, pero iba eh. So, like I said, tas parehong magulang nila nasa industry. I really can't blame them. So, gato na lang ako.
But
So,
then,
Yeah.
when some started going after them,
Oh, yeah.
iba yun.
Iba. Oo.
So, and people were critical of you because, I mean, you stood your ground and you defended your kids, Mavi in particular. So, meron ba yung na parang, meron bang pag-iisip na, hindi, kung kinaya ko dati, kaya din nila. Pero hindi, nanay ako ngayon, pwede ako magsalita. So, magsasalita ako. May ganon.
Like I said, you have to choose your battle. So, kahit na tinira na kami ng sobra-sobra, ang dami ng binato sa amin na lahat kasinungalingan. Yung parang, sometimes kasi parang, hindi mo na nga alam kung saan mo ilulugar yung sarili mo. Magsalita ka, magmumukha kang guilty. Hindi ka magsalita, mukha ka pa rin guilty. Ayan, hindi nagsasalita. Kasi tinan mo, guilty. O ngayon naman, pag nag-defend ka, ay, nag-ano ka, ang tawag nito, yung parang, guilty din kasi nagde-defend ka. So parang, saan ka? So parang, umabot din ako dun sa stage ng buhay ko na parang, kailangan ko ba talagang magsalita? Kailangan ko ba talagang i-defend yung anak ko? Na wala pa nga akong ginagawa, sinasabihan nyo na ako ng pakailamera, sinasabihan nyo na ako ng kung ano-ano. Yung parang, alam nyo ba kung anong ibig sabihin ng pagiging ina? Alam nyo ba na ang pagiging ina, when you care about your children, hindi pangingialam yun. It's caring and loving for your children. So they can't see the difference. So paano ko yun matuturo sa kanila? Especially kung hindi naman sila mga magulang. Paano ko yun sasabihin na hindi po ako nakikialam, nagmamahal ako at pinoprotektahan ng mga anak ko. And then si Zoren was, kasi talagang I was so devastated.
Yeah, of course.
Kasi parang, lalo na kung ano-anong sinasabi nila tungkol sa anak ko na hindi totoo. Sasabihin nila, of course, sasabihin mo, hindi totoo. Anak mo yan eh. But I know my son.
Yeah.
And then si Zoren sinabi na, you know what, Han? As long as we can sleep peacefully every night, that's more than enough.
Di ba lang naman yan? For as long as your inner circle
Oh, yeah.
is intact, pag may mukha kang hinaharap pa sa
Yes.
pamilya
Yes.
mo,
Yeah.
pag uwi mo sa bahay,
Oo.
why should anything else matter?
Yeah.
Ganun
That's true.
lang siya.
Yun yung reminder sa akin ni Zoren palagi. Kasi ako people pleaser ako eh. So parang yung side ko na yun gusto kong ilabas na gusto ko lang i-defend actually, hindi para manira ng tao, but this is the side of our story. Kasi lahat yan may two sides yan eh. Ngayon bahala na kayo kung sinong gusto niyong paniwalaan. But again, this is not a contest.
Correct.
So,
Correct.
Parang wala naman akong assurance na if I speak now, ako bang mananalo? Again, it's not a contest. And if I speak now, maniniwala ba kayo sa akin?
Because
Then remember, a basher, once a basher, always a basher. Pag nabinash ka na, kahit ano pang explain mo, kung ayaw nilang maniwala, hindi maniniwala sa'yo. So why would I waste my time? Again, I can sleep peacefully at night. We know the truth. So as long as you know the truth, lalabas at lalabas yan. And lagi din sinasabi ni Zoren na people will speak for us.
Yeah.
Hindi natin kailangan magsalita. Yung mga taong nakakakilala sa atin at may concern sa atin, silang magsasalita. At unti-unti, yun yung nangyari.
But here's the thing. You never really had to advocate for yourself or defend yourself in the span of your career until now. Di ba parang nung nagsimula ka naman, wala kang kailangang, parang there was no impetus, there was no trigger for you to be like this. How would you then describe how the industry has changed from the moment you set foot in it up to now? Nag-iba na ba yung industriya? Has it become vicious? Or is it the industry or the people outside it?
Social media, so kasama yan sa industry eh, diba? So it's really the social media eh. Talagang mas naging, parang feeling ko it's the people ang tatapang nilang
Pag walang
manlait. Pag walang mukha kasi dati yung mga bashers namin, yung mga reporters, kasi sila yung may control sa mga magazines, newspaper, tabloids. Pero yung mga netizens, wala naman silang power na api-apihin kami or to criticize us. Kung di man yung sa mga circles lang nila, hindi naman namin nababasa.
Pag nakikita face to face, pag-uusapan.
Yes, oo. So ito kasi lahat ng tao may opinion. So ang nag-iba talaga is, I guess it's really nag-evolve naman talaga lahat, diba? So pating industry natin, ito na nga with the social media and all. Pero pati yung mga tao, parang feeling ko kasi nagkaroon sila ng platform para manlait. Or maybe, I don't know. Meron nga akong isang sinabihan na parang, meron akong gustong interviewin na basher. Because I want to understand them. Ano ba yung pakiramdam na may nalalait kayong tao? Kasi and I'm being serious. I'm not being sarcastic. I'm not
what
being
drives
sarcastic.
them, diba?
Yeah, kasi parang,
What drives them?
kasi ako, parang hirap na hirap akong manlait ng kapwa ko. Pwede ko sabihin na parang, oh my gosh, ba't pa siya ganyan? Pero yung sasabihin mo pa sa social media at mababasa pa ng maraming tao, I mean, how can you do that knowing na nakakasakit kayo ng tao? Kasi hindi ko kaya yun. So gusto ko lang malaman, saan kayo nakakuha ng strength at courage to do that? Akala ko naman being kind is so easy. It's not pala.
It's not for a lot of
Oo, but
people.
it really pays to be kind.
It does.
Pero, iniisip ko nga, kasi like ko sinasabi yun, it pays to be kind, be kind to one another. Pero at the end of the day, it's not easy pala. Especially sa kaaway mo. Or sa mga taong nanakit sa'yo. Can you really be nice to that person?
Kaya mo siguro gustong intindihan kung bakit sila gano'n.
Yeah,
Kasi
kasi
there has to be an explanation.
Meron
Oo.
Meron yung explanation. So it's either ayoko sisihin yung mga magulang nila kasi meron mga bashers or may mga ganong tao na ang papait naman ng mga magulang. Abay, saan ba nagkamali itong mga batang ito? Saan ba sila? That's why I really I want to understand them na saan kaya to galing? Because I want to help them.
In the course of our conversation, ilang beses mo na nabanggit ang pangalan ni tatay. I mean, that relationship has just evolved into something else.
Yeah. I agree.
Diba, hindi na siya basta, yung partnership nyo ang lalim na. Kailan mo naramdaman na, wait, this is different ha? I mean, we have kids, we're married, we're together, but this is different. Iba na tong samahan natin.
Baka after pandemic or during pandemic, very recent kasi diba, people change.
Yeah.
Yung sinasabi nga nila, ano ba ang secret sa lasting relationship? Or bakit nagtatagal, bakit 20 years, 30 years, ganyan? Ano ba ang secret? Kasi kailangan mo tanggapin na nagbabago ang mga tao. Nung nagsisimula kami ni Zoren, boyfriend-girlfriend, so mga nasa 20 ako, nasa 20s din siya, hindi kami pareho. So you just have to accept your partner. Kung tatanggapin nyo yung isa't isa, dun sa pagbabago nung isa't isa, mag-work yung relationship nyo. Kaya nga sabi nila, may nabasa ako that the getting to know each other stage, dapat daw hindi mawawala.
Correct. No, I truly believe that.
When I read that, I said to myself, oo nga. Because of love and you want to accept that person, na ang decision mo pa rin is to stick with that person, tatanggapin mo siya wholeheartedly pa rin eh.
You know, they say, you cannot look at your partner using the same lens
I agree.
all the time.
Tama.
So if that
Tama.
is true, through what lens do you look at Zoren now?
Kahit na anong lente, medyo close up, hindi close up, kilala ko na si Zoren eh. And I want to believe na he really knows me inside out. At tanggap niya ako. At ngayon talaga, kasi talagang masasabi ko talaga, tanggap ko na siya. Tanggap ko kung sino siya.
Are you hard on yourself? Are you critical of yourself as well?
Critical, yes. Pero yung pagiging hard on myself, parang hindi naman. Hindi naman. Yung parang, let's say, kunwari, when it comes to, let's say, my craft. So, kunwari, pag mayroon akong isang eksena na feeling ko, hindi pa naman yung best ko, parang sayang, hindi ko nagawa. Kasi may mga times na hindi ako nabibigyan ng pagkakataon na i-take two, or wala, minsan wala talagang take two eh. Talagang one shot lang to eh. So, parang, ba't hindi ko nabigay yung lahat-lahat ko, yung parang ganon. Pero ang gagawin ko na lang, sige, bawi na lang ako. Pero I have to acknowledge it. I have to tell myself na,
So, wala kang problema sa pagkausap sa sarili? Yung mga iba,
Ay, hindi. Wala.
nila kinakausap sarili
ay
nila.
hindi. Minsan nga, nagsasagutan pa kami. Oo. Ako okay
Diba,
lang.
ang saya?
Ang saya.
Oo.
Kasi, ewan ko, ganun yata. Pag madadaldal, wala na tayong makausap, usapan na natin yung sarili natin.
Oo.
But I think, for me, that's healthy, ah.
Yeah.
Kasi parang, dinodouble check mo lang naman yung sarili mo.
Oo.
Tsaka yung parang, tsaka minsan parang, what do you call this? Parang, mas natatandaan ko pag kinakausap ko yung sarili ko. So parang pag sinasabi ko, okay, Mina, bawi ka na lang next time. Para pag dumating yung next time, o natatandaan mo, ito, hindi mo masyado nabigay yung best mo, so ito, bigay mo lahat. Parang bihira ka mabigyan ng second chance. So ito, parang binigyan ko ulit ng second chance, bigay mo lang
Saan mo
lahat.
nakuha yan? Yung clarity sa buhay mo, because it's very clear to you how you attack life, whether it's in and outside of show business. Clear.
Siguro ngayon na lang because of my age or because of the experiences in my life. Pero dati hindi naman ako ganito. Yung, I'm so lost. Yung talagang, ano bang gagawin ko? Yung parang, hindi naman sa pagiging perfectionist, pero people pleaser nga eh. So pag meron akong narinig na negative about sa akin, oh wait, kailangan ko tong maayos. Kasi kailangan ko sabihin sa kanya na hindi ako ganun. Pero through the years, diba, parang, I will choose myself. Ngayon, ako muna.
It takes courage to do that.
And that's not being selfish. Kasi
Yeah.
siguro, importante rin na nagbabasa tayo ng mga self-help books. No, yung mga hindi FPPF.
Basa ka ulit. Okay. Self-help books.
Feeling ko, parang nakakatulong siya kasi hindi mo naman yan matututunan sa normal school eh.
Yeah.
At saka with your experiences, ang dami mo talagang matututunan.
So, hindi ka takot na harapin yung sarili mo?
Hindi. Kasi habang buhay ka, may pag-asa ka eh. Ibig sabihin, habang buhay ka, may pagkakataon para bumawi, may pagkakataon para patunayan ulit yung sarili mo. At saka siguro nga, nandito na nga ako sa stage ng buhay ko na I just don't care. Kung ayaw mo, I respect you.
Yeah.
Ayaw mo. Hindi kita pipilitin. Pero wag mo din akong pilitin. Hindi mo makokontrol eh. So you really have to accept na it's really beyond your control. So ang makokontrol mo lang yung emotions mo, reactions mo, ang pag-iisip mo. So, sino ba to? Ako to eh. So importante na kaya nga I'm choosing myself now.
Yeah.
But it doesn't mean that hindi ko pinaprioritize sa mga pamilya ko. Hindi. Mas minamahal ko lang yung sarili ko. And again, that's not being selfless.
Yeah, and-
that's not being selfish.
And the more, have you noticed it? The more that you love yourself, the more love you can give.
Yeah, that's true.
Diba?
Kasi diba, how can you give something that you don't
You
have?
don't have. Correct. Can we talk about the loyalty game? I saw the first 2 episodes, and I have to say, the production design, the narrative, really makes you think. I want to know why you even said yes to the project, because your character is something else. Anong nagpa-oo sa'yo dito sa proyektong to?
Diba napanood mo? Wala talagang rason para mag-no ako. So when they offer this to me, syempre hindi ko pa naman nakikita yung visuals and all.
Yeah,
Of course, hindi ko alam.
Alam mo lang yung backstory.
Alam ko lang yung backstory, pero not so much pa din because hindi pa naman talaga nila masabi din fully. Kasi hindi naman nila alam kung tatanggapin ko o hindi. So, parang basic lang. But then again, Star Creatives, Prime Video, ABS,
Why not?
alam ko na maganda ang magiging resulta nito. Alam ko na magandang storya nito because I've worked with them. Alam ko kung paano yung how they work.
Yeah.
So sabi ko, okay.
The storytelling, though, is on another level.
Yeah.
Because each character is
Diba?
so nuanced.
Grabe.
Like your character, in and of itself, it has a lot of devices already and nuances.
Yeah, at saka makikita mo na, okay, mag-ina sila ni Ana.
Pero hindi explicit, di ba? You just pick up on it.
Kasi nga, watching the show, it will really make you think. So
Oo.
hindi to yung show na ayaw mo mag-isip. Kung
Hindi.
kung ayaw mo mag-isip, hindi to para sa Kasi kahit ayaw mo mag-isip, 'di ba? Kahit ayaw mo mag-isip, mapapaisip ka na parang
Totoo. Bakit
what's with his
ganon?
role? Why is
Yeah.
Ben like this? Why is
Right.
Anna like that? Why is Imelda like that?
The shoulder pain.
saan galing? And sino pa tong, bakit may extra phone? So,
At
ikaw,
ang mga wig
diba?
ni Mama.
Yung wig, oh wow. That's why na-challenge ako sa role. Parang, hindi siya yung typical mommy role na may anak ka dito, isa ka mapagmahal na ina. Given na yun eh. Ito kasi may pagkakrung-krung ka, pero may backstory. Bakit ka nagkaroon ng ganun? Because you were traumatized.
But I just love how, like, all the fashion that you wear here and, you know, the costume design, kahit across all characters, the colors are so vibrant.
Yeah.
But you feel there's an undercurrent of
Diba?
darkness
Yeah.
and pagka-sinister. Ang ganda niya.
Ang galing. Tsaka you can't explain, no? When you watch it, yun,
Ang daming nag-aagaw, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Parang the imagery is this. But then at the same time, you feel something under.
Right.
And
Yeah.
bilang isang taong mahilig at gustong nag-iisip, type na tayo.
diba? Tsaka yun talagang,
Tapos magtitingin pa talaga ako
I
kung
know.
meron pa ba dun sa shot na did I miss something?
right. Yeah. Kasi
I
may
love
mga
that.
ibig sabihin yung mga nasa
Meron.
gilid na mga props. May ibig sabihin yan eh.
Meron.
Ang galing nung, pati yung look nung bahay. Actually, yung look nung film. Ay, parang ang film eh.
This is what I wanted to point out as well. You know, the issue being tackled here is not something that's new. It's not something new, but it's presented in a new way against the backdrop of the patina of an old town.
Yeah.
So,
Diba?
may parang contrasting na naman, opposite
Right.
na naman.
Hindi ko nga alam kung may conscious effort ba silang gawin yon or nangyari na lang. Kasi even the ilaw, 'di ba? Yung ilaw yung
Ganda.
bakit parang I don't wanna say gloomy, pero bakit pag close up, bakit parang fresh? Yung bakit parang ang gaganda, ang gagwapo. Pero parang
May foreboding
yung parang
feeling.
bakit parang ang bigat. Yung 'di ba? Yung bakit ang bigat ang aliwalas naman at nagjo-jogging naman to si Echo. Bakit? That's why. Yung mga kaya nga ako very ma-detail kang tao, lahat mapapansin mo na it's so fascinating kasi parang ang galing nung locations namin.
Yeah.
Yung production design,
It's
yung
amazing.
ilaw, yung musical score. Ang galing. Tapos yung mga nuances ng mga characters, yung pinag-aaralan pero hindi mukhang pinag-aralan. Nagigets mo? Yung parang very innate sa kanila yung
Yung pagkakrung-krung mo?
Oo.
Nung character mo? How much of yourself did you give to this character? Kasi, my gosh, dun sa first episode parang wala pa masyado.
Yeah.
Pero dun sa wala pang kalagitnaan ata nung second episode, ang dami mo ng mura. Like, I've never seen you curse that way.
at hindi talaga ako nagmumura in real life. That's why parang sinasabi ko talaga, do I need to say this?
Seryoso ka?
Hindi ako nagmumura.
Ay, damang-dama mo.
Hindi
Parang
talaga.
totoo.
So, ibig sabihin baka magaling talaga akong artista. Kasi hindi talaga ako nagmumura. As in, hindi ko kaya. Ito nga pinag-uusapan lang natin. Parang, oh my gosh. I mean, hindi ako gandong tao.
Really?
So it's something, again, it's something new na naman for me because I really don't curse. I mean, no, pinaka-ano ko, syempre, hindi ko nasasabihin ko ano yun.
Sabihin mo, andalo ka lang.
Basta yun, yung parang shocks, yung ganun
I
lang.
know, ganun ka lang.
Diba, ganun po, hindi ko kaya yung, oh no, hindi ko kaya.
Ang galing, ang lutong. Pagkasabi mo.
Baka talagang na-imbibe ko na yung character ni Imelda.
Oh, so how much of yourself do you always give into that character? Kasi buong-buo siyang lumalabas eh.
Mahirap na madali. Mahirap dahil hindi ako yon. And at the same time, madali because that's not me.
In a way, it's kind of liberating
Oo,
because you
it's-
can be someone
yeah.
that you're not.
At saka na alam mo na parang hindi ka i-judge ng tao because this is just a character. So hindi ka nila titirahin personally. Ang titirahin nila yung character, not Carmina. So I'm gonna give my all kasi this is not me eh. So parang nandun yung excitement, parang nag-create ka na ng bagong character. So parang nakakaaliw siya na parang pati yung mga mannerisms ko, ikaw nagagawa nun eh. Kasi syempre yung writers, sasabihin lang naman nila o yung director, pero ikaw talaga nag-recreate ng character mo. So parang nakaka-excite. Syempre yung mga first few taping days ko, parang nangangapa pa ako na parang sino nga, ano na ba ako dito? Ano na nga ba yung pinanggalingan? Pero after a while, parang, okay, I really know my character. Kaya nga nung nagtapos na yung taping namin, yung parang nahirapan ako i-let go. Parang, I'm not ready to let go yet.
Really?
Yung parang
mag-wig ka pa.
Oo, yung kaya nga sabi ko parang, yun nga sinasabi nga nung kambal, ba't di ka nalang mag-wig dito sa bahay? Yung parang ganun. Pero kasi parang, ang saya lang to play with my character. Kasi nga siguro nga, it's not me.
Yeah.
So talagang mas nag-e-enjoy ako. So mas gusto ko yung mas gusto ko yung ganung roles na hindi ako. Napag-iisip ako, I don't want to be complacent. I don't want to be kampante. I want to be on my toes all the time.
How would you define now what loyalty is to you now that you're in this stage of your career, stage of your mortal life, no? What is loyalty to you now?
Aside from the love, respect, and trust, isa yan sa importante ingredient kung bakit nag-work ang isang relationship. It doesn't matter what kind of relationship, pwedeng friendship, pwedeng sa co-worker mo, sa asawa mo, boyfriend mo, in any relationship, it's very important. Yung loyalty para sa akin, just being there with that person 24/7, whether you're successful, whether hindi ka successful, you're so down, pero yung taong yun nasa tabi mo lang, yung talagang nakastick lang talaga sa'yo, that's loyalty for me. At yung hindi nabibili, hindi nababayaran, mahirap na kasi makahanap ng ganung tao.
Can you exact or expect loyalty from a person without being loyal yourself?
Paano yun? Diba, parang, paano ko expect na maging loyal ka sa akin kung di ako loyal sa sarili ko? You can't ask that from someone. It has to be given to you. Parang love. You can't beg for love. So parang feeling ko, kaya ko binibigay yung loyalty ko sa'yo kasi gusto ko yun. Or deserve mo yun. Or karapat-dapat kang bigyan ng yung loyalty ko, bibigay ko sa'yo kasi gusto ko yun eh.
Should it even come to a point where you want the loyalty of anyone,
Okay.
friend, partner, whatever, to be tested?
No.
And number 2, paano kung nag-fail?
Oo. Ako kasi no. I mean, why? Why do I have to do that? Parang malalaman ko naman kung loyal yung tao sa akin o hindi eh. Ngayon, kung feeling ko loyal siya tapos hindi pala, that's not my problem anymore. Hindi ako nagkakaroon ng kasalanan dito, ikaw. And for sure, eventually, malalaman ko din. So, I mean, I won't go out of my way to test the loyalty of a certain person. So whether husband ko pa yan or kahit sino pa yan, parang hindi ko yata gagawin.
Final question, Carmina, before we let you. Kasi para na tong ang wala pa kaming title. Nag-segue na kasi nagsanga-sanga na tayo. Wala
I
nang
know.
katapusan to. Pero kailangan nating tapusin.
Okay.
How does a Carmina Villaruel stay loyal to herself?
Just being true to yourself. Being true to yourself is also like being loyal to yourself. So, but when you say being loyal to yourself, ikaw sa ngayon sa stage ng buhay ko ako na muna. Ako naman muna ngayon bago yung ibang tao. So, kaligayahan ko muna. Again, I'm not being selfish. Kaligayahan ko muna. Gusto ko buo muna ako. I want to be loyal to myself first. Bago ako manilbi ng ibang tao, ako muna. Then yung ibang tao.
Well, thanks for being here.
Thanks
Thanks for sharing your time with us.
Thank you also for having me.
Thanks, Carmina. And that's it for another episode of Casey After Hours. You know the drill. Like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.